It's Susie with Susie's Crochet Chat, place where we talk about yarn hooks, tips, tricks, everything in between. As you can see here, I'm blocking. I finally, oh my gosh, my hair's in the way. I got my spray bottle over here. I sprayed this. Now, I do not know if this is actually the accurate way. Mikey was kind of like, didn't say much on how to block it. That wasn't his thing. I guess there's probably a tutorial out there. I'm not looking for it. So what I'm using is this line here. I'm following the line. I'm putting my saturated piece here and just putting the little T-pins in. So, you know, this is how it's going to be. I did that row around, which kind of squared things up. And there was forgiveness if you were, you know how I kind of said, oh my gosh, I might be off stitches and I won't, you know, I'll just have to wing it or something. No, because you either increased or decreased to make sure you had the right stitch amount, which was great. So I had to increase. But I'm okay with that because guess what? It worked. So now I'm going to pull this to this here. That's where it's going to, I guess. Yeah, that'll work. You know, if any of you have done this and you have better tips for me, let me know. I mean, that's, you know, I'm here to learn too. Oh, I'm moving the board. Oh my. So I'm not going to bore you with you watching me do this all the way around. I'll come back and when I get this blocked, I'll show you. So as I'm going through here, I hope I don't run out of pins. Like I said, I've never blocked before, so I could be using way too many pins for this, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. So we'll see. Maybe you go in each on the graph. I don't know. That kind of makes sense too. I might try that. Well, everybody, I can tell you this is probably not Mikey approved. He'd probably be like, lady, what are you doing? It would be one of his funny videos where he's kind of saying, what is going on? Okay. Oh my, this, maybe I'll kind of move it to my, sort of my liking. I don't know. It's the best it's gonna be. This is it. I mean, I don't think it looks too bad. And I'm gonna stick with what I said. If it don't work out, then I wing it and do something else because this, you know, my first time doing it, and I really wish he would have had more instruction. But in his defense, it's not some beginner project. And if you needed to learn to block, you know, I should have watched it on YouTube, not thinking, oh, it's going to be a piece of cake, I can do it. So here we are. This is going to have to dry. It'll probably dry overnight. I will show you the rest of it tomorrow. Okay, so I did kind of block around this one here to make it more straight. This one side's just a bit, I don't know, but I think it'll be good enough. It's going to be fine. And note to self, be careful with the T-pins. Don't let them fall on your kitchen floor if you're doing it in your kitchen or whatever room, because yeah, you just don't want to do that. See you tomorrow. Okay, so a few hours have passed and it's still damp, but it's really looking good. I think it's gonna work out. I think I did okay. I went and watched some videos and it was basically what I did. So I feel good about this. So we will see. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, we're back. It is the next day. It's evening time. And it's all dry. Looks like it's blocked. So I'm gonna take the pins out. And we will see how this works. Okay. Well, I guess it looks okay. Kind of looks like, I don't know. Looks like it shrunk in a little bit, but here it is. And that's as good as it's gonna be. And it's gonna work, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a long one, but like, share, subscribe. I give all the credit here, the Crochet Crowd, Mikey. It's his pattern, it's his thing, so that's what I was doing. And onward we go. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.